y'all, my name is Sari. Welcome to my channel. It's your first time being here. Welcome. I love having you. Just sit down, have a seat. Today I'm going to be telling y'all the low maintenance things I do in order to be high maintenance. Now, fair warning, I do change my hair about every 2 weeks, so I gotta cut the cost down somehow, some way. Also, my nails are not done, but I love a good set of acrylics, and they will probably be long to XL. I love extendos. And of course, I do have lashes, and they are why did I blink, y'all? I get them done every few weeks, so yeah, wherever I can cut costs, I'm gonna try to. So I'm gonna just start off by, y'all, the simplest thing you can do in order to like just give yourself a boost and feel like you are her. Get you some masks. This is a lip mask. This is a caffeine eye mask. The lip mask came from TJ Maxx. Don't doubt them. Go in there, stock up on some masks, and you will like feel like a glow about yourself. If you're feeling down, you can just uplift yourself in that way. This is just a starter pack, and this will get you going and get you set if you just need a quick pick me up. But now let's get into the real tea. I'm gonna catch y'all over there. Number 1, repurpose your old bundles. I know you got a chest, a bin, bag, whatever you want to have. You got some old bundles somewhere from the old sew-in. Repurpose that hair. You can put it into a wig, you can do a quick weave, you can do a little ponytail. Do not think that you have to drop $200 every time you want to get your hair done. Use what you have, especially if you get quality bundles. You can definitely repurpose that. That's the reason you spent all that money in the first place. So don't go broke, buy new bundles when you can make something from the comfort of your home with the bundles that you already have. Now get to work. It's really step number 1, but learn how to do your hair, whether it's natural or styled. Learn what works for you and learn how to do it. Get good at it, so whenever you get a hey boo text, you're not gonna come outside looking crazy. 3, this is low maintenance in the fact that you are not dropping $60, maybe even $100 going to somebody else to get waxed. I actually love sugar waxing. Once you can get the consistency right, and trust, you can definitely mess this up real quick. But get your consistency right, and then you're going to spend some time working on the wax itself. But I like it because it's not harmful, and once you learn what you're doing, it's relatively easy, and it's also, you can repurpose it. Like, you're saving so much money by using the simple ingredients that you have around your house and waxing yourself. When the wax is still warm and not really hard wax yet, I like to go in with cloth and rip it from there because it's just a lot easier. And then once the wax starts to get colder, that's when I start to form it with my hands and using the hard wax and just going in repeatedly over my skin. But y'all, I have not picked up a razor since I was a teenager. Okay, I do not know what that is. I'm not about that life. I've only used Nair and waxing, and as you can see, the results are there. My hair grows back very thin. Like, once you're consistent, it gets so much easier for you. The pain will be less. You will get in and out quicker because you know what you're doing. You know what to expect. But yes, my hair doesn't really grow as dense and thick anymore because I have been waxing for so long and my hair is practically trained. I know it looks very painful, but trust me when I say, at least for me, a Brazilian wax is a lot easier than this. But also, I am very dramatic. I do mean what I say by once you're consistent, the pain will go down. It really will. You just got to trust the process. And once you're doing it yourself, you just automatically psych yourself out and believe it's going to be worse than you think. 4, exfoliate, exfoliate, but not on days you wax. You're going to want to exfoliate every other day. This just gives you a nice energizer and your skin's going to glow, so it's automatically going to refresh you. So definitely a way to be low maintenance but high maintenance. The only thing that's holding you back from being that girl is having a set routine. Find yourself a nighttime routine that works best for you and stick to it so that you are not just going to sleep anytime you please, or you're going to sleep frustrated because you did not put yourself in the best mood to wake up. And give yourself a nice glow as you go to sleep so you can set yourself up right to wake up beautiful the next morning. The last and final tip, number 6, tint your eyebrows. I tint my eyebrows as if I'm just doing my eyebrows for makeup, but you can learn how to do it better. You can also wax your eyebrows, but as you can see, mine are not there. So I just go in heavy and then just let it wear off for the next few days. I don't really mind it. If you do lashes, this is just like another way to give yourself a little boost so you can wake up in the morning already looking done. Doing your own brows saves you so much money because why would you go to somebody else when it's just gonna go away in a matter of a few days? Save that money and do it yourself. Glad y'all made it back and y'all got to see some of the low maintenance things I do in order to be high maintenance. We always gotta cut costs because we're girls, and you know these people crazy out here, they be charging a stack in a buck, so that's why we need to learn how to do stuff ourselves. Prioritize what we have. Don't go broke. Try to look good, because trust me, you can look good in your own way. You are beautiful. I hope that I helped you with like some new tips on how you can elevate yourself and just do little things along the way in order to maintain a high level if that's your goal, or if you just want to save a quick buck. I'm glad I helped you. That will be all for this video. I hope you liked it, and please do come back for more. Don't forget to leave me suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for supporting me and being here. Bye, y'all.
You're now listening to